So guys, many of you are asking me how to make like a Bluetooth on and off switch. So the things you are needed here is here. You can see here we have Arduino Uno and two relays for two switches, one Bluetooth module, HC05, male headers, female headers, and a Vero board. So let's make it. Here I attach the Arduino Uno with my board by using the header male pins. So you can see here. Here we are going to solder here. I am using the pins, this one and this one. You can attach your male header with pins you are using. So here you go. Let's jump to the next step. Okay, keep your components like this and solder them all. So let's solder. I am not gonna make video because I am the only person who is working, so I don't have a cameraman. So let's solder it and then we will meet again. Here I solder everything. Like just I solder the connectors, not wiring, and make two holes for two relays. And pass 3 wires for one relay and the 3 wires for second relay. Here you can see that. So let's fix the relay. So here I attach the relay with the glue gun and double tape. You can see here. So let's attach the red wire with VCC, the black wire with ground, and the yellow wire with in pin. Here also the red wire for VCC, the brown wire for ground, and the orange wire for in pin. So let's attach it. So here you go. In this step, I just collect all the ground and VCC from the both relays and Bluetooth and connect with the VCC and ground of Arduino. Here you can see that. This is the Bluetooth, the VCC and ground, and this one is for VCC and ground from the relay. You can see here 3 ground and 3 VCC. So next step we are going to attach the RX to the TX and TX to the RX. So here you can see that I attached the RX and TX with the help of little connectors which I was using in my breadboard. So you can attach it with other wires or anything else. So I connect it. You can see here. The soldering is little bad because I think my solder iron nib is now expired. So this is all our circuit. We just have to connect the in wires of our relay to it. You can see that I attached the 2 outputs of relay with pin number 6 and pin number 5. You can see here. So now it's time to coding and run our project. I wanna put some glue here so it will save my wiring. Okay, meet you when it will working. So here you can see our circuit is on now. I am giving power with cable. You can also attach the battery with the help of connector. So let's attach our Bluetooth with the software. So here you can see I attach my Bluetooth module with this app. You can also attach it by pairing your Bluetooth with your Android phone and install the Android Bluetooth controller app. And if you press it long, here you can the commands you given in the code you can write here and the button name here. Okay, then save. Then it will help to give some variable to the Arduino, and because of this the light will be on and off. So here you can see the the one relay, the circuit one is off now. So when I press on, it will be on. Okay, when I press the second on, it will be on. When I will press off, it will be off. On, off. Okay, and the third button I write the code for the both. Like if we press on, the both will on, and if we press off, the both will off. Okay, let me connect some LEDs with the relays, then you can understand it very good. So here you can see that I attached 2 LEDs with the relay. The relay wiring is not so difficult. It just look like difficult because I have big wires. So if you see the data sheet of the relay, it will be easy. One is the open switch and one is the closed switch. I think you all understand about relay. You are not like children. So here you can see here, if I turn on LED 1, you can see on, and it's also on. The LED 2 is also on. You can see here off, off. You can also, the third button is for both on and both off. You can see both on, both off. So you can attach your fans, your room fans or other thing with your mobile and control it with your mobile. The circuit is not so big. I just make it big because you can understand this one. So this is not a professional circuit, but it's cool, you know. So here we will test it again, like some speed. You can see it is working very properly. The range is also good. If you are the other room, you can also turn on and off your LEDs. Sometimes if I have some time, I will show you how to make it with Wi-Fi. It will also very easy, not so difficult. You just have to create an HTML page, and then you can control your device with Wi-Fi. So thank you.